Are you still struggling to find a comprehensive and integrated diagnostic scan tool? ANCEL DS700 can meet your needs. It is a new generation professional diagnostic tablet, comes with a full set of great value accessories for all your high-end scanner needs and comprehensive testing. It's the ideal scanner for professional repair stores and auto DIY enthusiasts. First, plug the PCI tunnel into the vehicle's DLC socket. Bluetooth connection makes the product more convenient to use. Using intelligent detection, the system will automatically identify the vehicle information after the vehicle is connected. ANCEL DS700 supports full system diagnostics with a full scan of the car's available control modules, such as engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, TPMS, EPB, SAS, ESP, and other vehicle systems. Click Report to generate a vehicle health report for your car. This report is easy to save and share. Powerful diagnostic functions include reading fault codes, clearing fault codes, reading data streams, actuation test, special functions, and so on. On the right side of the screen, to define the data stream option to be viewed. ANCEL DS700 diagnostic tablet can do the active test Bi-Directional. Output the command into the ECU in order to turn on/off actuators. To find faults in the subsystems of your car effortlessly without using the vehicle's control. Meanwhile, advanced ECU coding function can easily improve vehicle performance or stimulate high-end features for the car. As a versatile automotive scanner tablet, DS700 can perform most commonly used maintenance and reset functions, including oil light reset, brake pad reset, TPMS reset, SDS calibration, ABS bleeding, gear learning, DPF regeneration, injector coding, battery matching, etc. Of course, it can do all OBD2 test functions to help you get more engine diagnostic information. Owning DS700 saves you an OBD2 code reader. DS700 car scanner provides quick diagnosis on all available systems of vehicles coverage for more than 150 brands, over 10,000 vehicles, and more will be continuously updated. You can enter the vehicle brand and model to inquire the support functions and diagnostic system. Equipped with the enhanced Android 10 operating system, 10-inch touchscreen, 4G memory and 64G internal storage, 6,000 mAh battery capacity, rear camera 8.0 MP, rubber protection sheet, it allows customers to enjoy a fast, technological and safety experience. Available in 24 languages to give you more choices. The ANCEL file is used to record and establish the file of the diagnosed vehicles, including all van-related data such as diagnostic reports, data stream records and pictures. Users can record and save important information or operational problems through the screen's hot and screen recorder feature, so that you can replay and review them or send problems to our technicians for help. One-click Wi-Fi update, allowing you to complete the software upgrade anytime and anywhere freely. DS700 support printer optional function modules. Unscrew the backplane screws and remove the host backplane. The printer is installed on the back of the main unit. Quick print diagnostic reports anytime and anywhere. When you encounter unsolvable problems, you can get remote support from ANCEL's technical engineers through the Team Viewer software, or use the feedback function on the menu to send your diagnostic report for professional guidance. ANCEL DS700 is definitely a great choice for professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts.